During a solar eclipse, several fascinating phenomena occur, each corresponding to the specific phase of the eclipse. Here's a detailed breakdown of what happens during a solar eclipse. At the onset of a solar eclipse, when the moon begins to move between the Earth and the Sun, a partial eclipse begins. Initially, a small part of the Sun's disk is obscured by the advancing edge of the Moon. As the Moon progressively covers more of the Sun, the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth decreases, resulting in a gradual dimming of daylight. Shadows become sharper and more defined as the light source becomes a narrower crescent. The decrease in sunlight can cause a noticeable drop in temperature in the area experiencing the eclipse. This change can be especially pronounced during a total solar eclipse when the Sun is completely blocked by the Moon. During the partial phase of a solar eclipse, observers may see the Sun transformed into a crescent shape as more of its disk becomes covered by the Moon. This crescent shape becomes more pronounced as the eclipse progresses towards maximum coverage. In the path of totality, where a total solar eclipse is visible, the sky gradually darkens as the Moon moves to completely cover the Sun. As the eclipse nears totality, a phenomenon known as the diamond ring effect may occur, where a bright spot of sunlight briefly shines through a valley on the lunar limb, creating the appearance of a sparkling diamond ring. During totality, when the Sun is completely covered by the Moon, observers within the path of totality experience a surreal twilight-like darkness. The Sun's corona, the outer atmosphere, becomes visible as a faint, pearly white halo surrounding the darkened disk of the Moon. Bright stars and planets may become visible in the darkened sky, and nocturnal animals may become active in response to the sudden darkness. Just before and after totality, Baily's beads may be observed, where points of sunlight shine through the valleys and mountains on the Moon's limb, creating a string of bright beads around the edge of the Moon. Solar prominences, large eruptions of plasma from the Sun's surface, may also be visible during totality, appearing as red or pinkish structures extending from the Sun's limb. After the brief period of totality, when the Moon begins to move away from the Sun, the partial phase of the eclipse resumes. The sequence of events described above occurs in reverse as the Moon gradually uncovers the Sun, returning daylight to the area. Once the Moon has moved completely past the Sun, the partial eclipse ends, and the Sun returns to its full brightness. Solar eclipses are remarkable celestial events that captivate observers with their stunning displays of light and shadow, providing valuable opportunities for scientific study and awe-inspiring experiences for those fortunate enough to witness them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.